Hi, I am Mani. So actually last year 2020 we started looking for interior designer for my flat, and then the thing was like my wife had like all the designs in the mind, and we just wanted to be like executor of some like that design, so that like it will be executed well and within our budget. So I started looking like I started browsing online and then offline search, and it was just before the like COVID lockdown. So we didn't get ample opportunity to visit all the offices of the interior designer and other things. So I started looking online, and then I found YouTube videos of many interior designer, and out of that like I liked WUDBELL there, and like their design. I got some hints on like costing. I checked the Google review as well, but I don't go on Google reviews because that can be like it go anyway. So I do not believe much on that. But I just like saw all the designs, and then I got to know that they have their own factory. So I visited there myself and my before like going for the project agreement and other things. Like we went to the factory. Myself and my wife went, and there like their manager was there, Sajid. He was very cooperative, and like he showed us everything in the factory, like how things are getting manufactured, what materials they are using, laminates quality, plywood quality, like hardware, all the hardware things, all the collection, everything he showed me like for some other customer. And he told that like if I want, then like I can come down to the factory when like my project is getting executed. So that way like then we went to their office, and then designer was assigned to us, like that was Nisha, and she was like very good designer. And then she and my wife and like they have like very good repo, and then very good coordination. And you can say like she like started explaining what she wants, and she like put exactly like that thing on the paper, like and if that is like feasible or not. So she provided all the feedbacks, like if it is possible or if it is not possible. So that was very positive feedback on the designing part as well. So exactly like because we had some kind of requirement, both like modular and like some kind of like non-modular works, like if you can see like this counter or like headboard kind of thing, or some tile fixing, designer tile fixing kind of things. So they told that they will support all those things, like end-to-end complete solution. So we like that very much, because many interior company was not ready to provide that much flexibility. They were like giving ideas only on modular things, not on non-modular things. But you know, like as per our requirement, it was not fit, like complete fit. So what we did, like then we finally finalized the project, and then we started detailed discussion with designer, and maybe like within 1 month we are able to finalize all the things. And then execution started, not execution, like factory manufacturing started. Even I visited the factory and saw that like how it is being done, what was committed, like laminates, hardware, all are like same thing or some different thing. So I checked everything, and it was proper. So I do recommend like everyone, like whoever is going with WUDBELL, they should visit their factory and see like how things are getting manufactured and what is coming to your flat. So ideally you should check it out. It is very much necessary. And then like another thing I liked it, like lot of designs they have. Like I wanted like some sliding wardrobe, so they gave me option, like I can go with like Heritage option or like Aristo, and we like the Aristo, and they like give like ample in number of designs and color options for like all the wardrobes and other things. So we selected like whatever like we wanted to have it, we did it. And then final design came, and we liked it. There was some modification required, and like Nisha did it nicely. And my wife wanted some kind of like non-modular works, that also was implemented very well, executed very well. And then another thing was like costing. That is very important for any client, or you can say like any customer. So what happened, like it got like little over budget for us, but it was fine, because whatever we wanted, if that is coming to some reasonable price, because I felt that like price was very reasonable. It was very competitive price, I would say, like very competitive price. and both modular and non-modular. I'm not talking about like only modular. So both were very competitive as per the market rate. And then like we like did all the payments on time, and then like finally project is executed. So now you can see like how well it is executed. So it is like all about the designer and like my wife's thought, like how they have put together everything, and it was very like very nice coordination, I would say. And then like I would say like they have done really fabulous work, and definitely I wish them luck to like keep their good work continue in future as well. And I'm very happy. At the end, like I'm very happy customer. Thank you, WUDBELL.